Your barber hates when you ask for this flow haircut. And the main reason why is because they're tired of you asking for a haircut that you simply just can't get. I'm going to break down why your barber gets frustrated when you ask for a flow haircut, what the flow haircut is, why he or she can't do it, and all that stuff about this particular haircut. So with most hair professionals, and particularly barbers, considering this is more of a men's haircut that a lot of people are getting now because it's such a popular trend. It's been out for many, many years, since the 90s, but it's resurfacing. As I run my fingers back through this, you notice how it just falls right into place. The hair just, it literally just flows into itself. And I think a lot of people have a misconception about what really is a flow haircut, right? You've got a haircut like what I'm demonstrating and showing you right now. Is this a flow haircut? It all depends. Is this a flow haircut? Like, we've got all these haircuts here, but when you walk in saying, "Oh, I want the flow," well, what does that exactly mean? So a lot of times the professional will get maybe frustrated because they're like, "Oh, let me guess, you saw this on TikTok or you saw this on social media," but you don't really understand what it is. And the main reason is, one, let's talk about hair texture and hair type. Now, if you look at this mannequin right here, you'll see that it's got kind of wavy textured hair. Now, mind you, this is a mannequin with 100% straight hair, but because of the haircut and using my sea salt spray, I was able to create the waves. But let's just say that your hair is naturally wavy like this, and you say, "I want a flow haircut." Well, this type of hair is not going to get this, because this is 100% pin straight hair and this isn't. So a lot of it comes down to common sense. Unfortunately, we or you as a client may not really be thinking that, because you think, "Oh, it's up to the hair professional," and then the hair professional is not telling you, or they're getting frustrated because they're like, "Well, have you looked in the mirror lately? Clearly your hair is not pin straight." But that's okay. And I'm sorry if they make you feel, if it's intimidating or you're afraid to ask, but simply ask. You're paying them for a service, okay? So if your hair texture, literally, you look in the mirror and you see that your hair texture is not the type of hair texture that these flow haircuts have, then maybe it's like, okay, well, I have to come up with a different option. Maybe to you, this is a flow haircut. And that's when, if you walk into a barbershop or a hair salon, you say, "I want a flow," they're looking at you going, "What are you talking about?" Because you may think and have an understanding in your head that you think, "Oh, this means a flow haircut." Now, let's take this haircut, for example. And what the thing about this haircut is, to me, this is more of a flow, because look, I can run my fingers and it flows into itself. Now, how do you get a flow haircut? What does that exactly mean? Well, because of your hair being layered, and I feel like calling myself the layer king at this point, the hair flows back, right? It has a nice shape. It flows into itself. It's got like that nice, easy to go, blended, perfect shape, all right? Now, if I take this mannequin head off, there we go, you could see. You see how the hair flows into itself, and that's because I cut this the right way. In order for you to achieve a haircut like this, you see how long this hair is. So another frustration that a hair professional may have is, you may say, "I want a flow," and your hair is like up to here, right? Or your hair is like super short, and they're going, "Well, what do you mean you want a flow haircut?" Well, a flow is a cosmetic name for just seeing layers on longer hair. That's literally what it means. Now, on the flip side, think about Justin Bieber back in the day. He had the sweeping flow haircut, right? And I was doing that for years and years and years when he had it on clients. The flow, the sweep, all that. Hockey players, I had a lot of clients that were hockey players. They all wanted that just sweep across. They turn their head like this and the hair just swings across. I used to do those in my sleep all the time. So, everyone's idea of what that means it's really up to them. But if you go in and you're saying, "I want a flow," and it's so short, then you have to explain to them, well, how do you want your hair to look? What do you want to see? Do you want to see your hair going back, like flowing back? And that's where, this is now more for professionals and barbers and stylists. You have to then ask the client, do you want to see your hair flowing back? When you say flow, do you like seeing it going back this way? Do you want it to flow, kind of more back like this? Do you want it to flow across the forehead? Like, do you want to see it sweeping? What does flow mean to you? And that's where, being a hair professional, it's also very important that we communicate what that means. Because again, to some of us, a hair flow, that may be a completely, a whole different ballgame, right? We may be thinking, oh, a hair flow, it's going to common sense may think the hair flows back into itself. Okay, sure. Now, in order to achieve a haircut like this, I mentioned your hair needs to be long enough. So when you think, let's simplify this from a haircutting perspective. And if you're not a hair professional, this is perfect for you because I'm going to explain this in as simple as I possibly can. You see, as I pull this hair down, watch what happens. It goes back. So as I pull the hair up like this, let's just go right in the front here. As I pull this hair up in the front like this, it travels back. So as long as it is here, that's how far it is going to travel back here. So when you're looking for this type of haircut, and this is why, again, there may be some frustration when you walk into a barbershop or a hair salon and you say, I want the flow. And the barber's like, oh God, I hate when people do this. It's simply because your hair is not long enough. Now, does that mean every barber is going to get mad at you and be like, oh, get out of this barbershop, get out of the hair salon? No. But the frustration lies sometimes because what's happening on social media is that people aren't really explaining because they're not even hair professionals. They just have nice hair and good looks. They think they're a hair guru. They don't understand that, they never cut hair in their life. So what you have to understand is the shorter your hair is, if you want a flow haircut and it's this long, it's only going to travel back here. It may be falling in your face all the time. So a lot of times you need to realize that your hair needs to be probably twice the length than it is now. That's the biggest thing that people don't understand is your hair needs to be a lot long. I mean, look how long all of this hair is into here. This whole thing is pretty long. And that's why it's able to flow into itself like this. And then if you don't have a straight hair texture, then you have to think about what other options do you have when you're trying to achieve some sort of flow type haircut. Again, flow is kind of like a cosmetic name for layers and the direction of the hair. Which way do you want your hair to flow, aka go? Think of it this way. Flow means go. Where do you want your hair to go? So simplify it that way, and I guarantee you that if you go into your hair professional for your next appointment, they're going to be a lot more impressed with you understanding what your hair already can do, how long your hair is, the limitations, all that stuff, and they're not going to get so frustrated and you'll be like, oh, okay, because there's so much going on social media that it's misinformation. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Are you wearing one of these haircuts? Does this help you better understand? Let me know if you're a hair professional and you are a barber and you do get frustrated when people ask for things and you're like, your hair can never do this. Where'd you even hear this from? So I'd love to know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.